How to get Discord user ID. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Discord application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now tap on settings. Now scroll down a bit and go to advanced. Now enable developer mode and go back. Now open up any chat and tap on the profile icon. Now tap on the three dots. Now click on copy user ID. Now once you have copied, go back to your home screen and open up Notes application. Now type discordapp.com/user/ and paste the user ID just you copied. So that is how you can copy Discord profile link on mobile. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.